Yo, what's up mga ka-witness and mga ka-witty? Here we go. So, yesterday, nakita natin, tumama nga siya sa Bollinger Band, 99,000. So, nagkaroon siya ng retracement. So, nag-correct siya, bumaba siya ng 95 to 94.8. So, that way, nagkaroon siya ng leverage siya dito. Binura na lang lahat ng mga nag-long dito. So, marami kasi nag-position dito thinking we're going up na. But, syempre, market maker always knows what you're doing and then nag-ano siya sa stop losses. So, we hit that and then now we have the support of 95,000. So, as of now, nag-hover na siya sa 96,000 above. And as you can see guys, medyo maganda na ang nararating ni Bitcoin. Medyo nagre-retrace siya and then today is December 27, Friday. Maganda na naman ang laban mamaya. So we will wait and see if the market will go up or will go down. But let's find out. I think, in my opinion, ano na niya tayo, nakuha na niya. So lower, high, higher, lower. No, lower, high, and lower, high. So pataas na ng pataas. So guys, ito naman, nasa daily time frame naman tayo. Pang everyday yan. Every candle represents one day. So from Trump, November 5, umangat na siya dyan hanggang sa ngayon. Tumaas ng highest niya is 108. Tapos as of now, yesterday, di ba nag-Christmas, ito 27 na. So nasa green na tayo, medyo green na. Kasi nag-red na, nag-dump na, and then green na. So I think positive na tayo, season na. We're going to have a good weekend and next week. But we will still see and we will still find out. Do your own research. As of now, we cannot say what will happen to Bitcoin. But nag-graph naman ni coins, 5.5 million pa rin tayo. Nandito pa rin tayo. So pataas na yung lower high natin. Okay? So I hope na makabreak na naman tayo dito sa 99,000 resistance. And hope to see you there, guys. Quick reminder, power is only given to those who are willing to lower themselves to pick it up. So in my opinion, true power comes when you humble yourself, lower yourself, think that you don't know anything.